Cartilages are soft skeletal connective tissue. It is less rigid than bones. It is found most abundant in the embryos of vertebrates, and it serves as a model for bony endoskeleton. First, cartilaginous endoskeleton is formed, and then ossification occurs and the bony endoskeleton is formed. Apart from this, cartilaginous endoskeleton is found in the cartilaginous fishes. As you are learning this cartilage under the topic specialized connective tissue, it is a connective tissue, so naturally the connective tissue components will be also present. So here in cartilage also 3 components are present, and the first component, cells. There are different types of cells present in the cartilage. The first one is chondroblast. Chondroblasts are the cells which are present near the outer surface of the cartilage. So this is the outer surface of the cartilage, and this outer surface has a name, and this is called perichondrium. Perichondrium is made up of white collagen fiber. Close to this perichondrium, chondroblasts are present. These are chondroblasts, and they are small cells. They are highly metabolically active cells. They synthesize matrix and fibers, and they get trapped into fluid filled space, and that is called lacuna. So this cell, they get trapped in a fluid filled space, and that space is called lacuna. This space is lacuna, and plural will be lacunae. These cells, they get mature and form another cell, and that cell is called chondrocytes. So first level it is chondroblast, and these cells mature to form another type of cell, and that cell is called chondrocytes. Chondrocyte cells are mature chondroblasts, and they are larger than these chondroblast cells. So they will become larger and trapped into the fluid filled space, that is lacuna. In the growing cartilage, that this chondrocytes, they divide, and due to this division they occur in the group of 2 or 4. Apart from these cells, one more cell is present in, and that is chondroclasts. And these chondroclast cells are cartilage destroying cells. So these are cartilage destroying cells. So this was about the first component. Second component, that is matrix. The matrix of cartilage is also called chondrine, and it is solid, soft, pliable, and resists compression. And it is made up of chondromucoprotein, which contains chondroitin 6-sulfate and hyaluronic acid. So this is matrix. Now the third component, that is fiber. Fibers are the third component, and they could be either collagen fibers or elastic fibers. Based on the types of fiber present in the cartilage, along with their proportion, cartilage is classified into 4 different types. The first one is hyaline cartilage. It is almost fiber free, and its matrix, the matrix which is present in the hyaline cartilage, its matrix is clear, translucent and slightly elastic with less fiber. Location of the hyaline cartilage. It is present at the articular surface at the joints of long bone, and that's why it is also known as articular cartilage. It is also present in the trachea, bronchi and the sternal parts of ribs. So that's why it is also called costal cartilage. It also forms the endoskeleton in vertebrates during the embryonic stage, and apart from this, and also forms endoskeleton in the cartilaginous fishes. So this was about the hyaline cartilage. The second type of cartilage is fibrous cartilage. Cartilage is fibrous cartilage, and fibrous cartilage is of 2 types. The first one is white fibrous cartilage. White fibrous cartilage. So here the name is describing itself that in the matrix white fiber will be present. So collagen fibers are present in the matrix, and this type of cartilage, it is the strongest cartilage. And where is the location? It is present in the intervertebral disc. And apart from this, it is present in the pubic symphysis, and it helps during the parturition. Under fibrous cartilage, the next is the yellow elastic cartilage. So we'll see the yellow elastic cartilage. Yellow elastic cartilage numerous yellow elastic fibers are present. So what will be the nature of the cartilage? It will be elastic and the flexible. Location, it is found in the tip of nose, eustachian tube, pinna, epiglottis and external auditory canal of ear. So this is about the fibrous cartilage. Third type of cartilage is calcified cartilage. Initially it is just like hyaline cartilage. Later calcification occurs and it becomes hard and non-elastic. This type of cartilage occurs in the suprascapula of pectoral girdle of frog and shark. This also occurs in the pubis of pelvic girdle of frog. So this was all about the different types of cartilage.